Hello guys, this is me, Connelly, and you know our YouTube channel? Well, look at this beautiful place. It's Rolling Hill Zoo in Kansas, Salina, and it's peaceful, quiet. So let's come on in and see what they got. Okay, so here's our beautiful nature. Follow me. First animal is baby koi. It's a beautiful place with magical toy frogs. And yeah, there's frog right there. And this is the sign for fish. If you're saying this is a sign language, there you go. Oh, wow, guys, look. There's zebras, lions, tigers. We'll go all over this place. And this is the sign for zoo. We're at the front, and then there's going to be Charlie coming show us, and we're going to be showing everything in the world. And this is the zoo map. There's also Charlie, but we didn't mind, so we have everything, and there's a lot of animals that you're waiting for. This is the zoo map. And you know flamingos? Well, we're going to the flamingos. On a lion, an actual lion, yeah. But he's asleep. Be quiet. This is the sign for the lion. Okay, so this is an actual real goat. Yeah, I know. It's an actual real goat. And guess what? This is the sign for goat. Goat. Falcon, hawk, eagle. And we are saying that this is the sign for eagle. So these are sheep, and this is the sign for sheep. Cut, cut, cut. Okay, guys, so this is the painted dogs, and we are having the most precious dogs over here, and they're actually red painted cobra hyenas. Now this is the flamingos. Yeah, I know, there's an egg, and this is the sign language. Pink bird makeup.
Yeah.
And that's how you do flamingo. See?
Aww.
Look.
I wonder if it's going to hatch.
Yeah.
She's gathering mud and she's putting it in her nest.
Yeah, it says 28 to 32 days.
Hey, guys. I found our ground towel, and I'm going in it. Can I have it? Look. Oh, the flamingos. Look. And there's our recorder and interested.
Not only do we have koi fish in there, but we
Okay, so there's turtles, koi's, even maybe piranhas. Yeah, there's actual piranhas in here. Watch out. Okay, guys, so this is the Rolling Hill. See? Look. And guess what? It has the most terrifying slide ever. Watch this. Woo! Now, we have this slide. These are African rhinos, and this is the sign for rhino. You do Y shape, rhino. So this is Grandma Kelly, my grandma, and she's going to show us the giraffes. over
and
here.
you make
African
C,
giraffes.
and then what do?
You do this.
All the way up, like long neck.
Yeah, that's how I do the giraffe. I got a snow cone.
And I got tiger blood and blue raspberry.
Oh, yum! I got watermelon and blue raspberry.
There is a world museum, and we're going to go in there and see what it is. Ooh, creepy. Look, buffaloes,
Wow.
everything. Whee! What's this?
Lions and tigers and bears go flying.
Whoa, a yak.
Water buffalo.
Look at that. See, look at the zebras. But they're infiltrating a cat by hyenas. But no worries. That's not real. Okay, so this is the sign for wolf if you see that wolf over there. And here, the museum. Loading. Hello. Welcome to the
Hello, bird. Can you start seeing a fish nearby? There was a bunch of starfish that one time we were here.
A drink. Find me some water. This speckled frog needs all along.
Okay. I see one.
Oh, good. Can you tell me where to go?
Mommy.
And I need to find some water. It's really hot. Can you fly up and find me some water?
Yes.
Oh, amazing.
It's right here.
Good job. I'm so glad you can fly to find some water. So I can relax and play and touch all day. And I can cool off. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for helping us find water. Bye-bye.
Oh, there's tigers over here. This side, the tiger. Guys, so this is the end of the video. Say bye-bye, Chin Strappy. And bye-bye.